Today we're going to work on the Volvo XC40. The maintenance is due on it and it's going to need a new engine air filter. So let's go do step by step and replace the engine air filter ourselves and save some money. Alright, so the engine air filter, you're going to have to open up the hood. The latch is right here. Now you're going to follow this silver piece right up to here, and the latch will be right here. Here's the air filter. You're going to have to replace it. Probably have to clean this engine too. Looks a little dirty. That's another video. So I did get the Volvo air filter. Let's get a part number for you guys. I believe is this right here. 2146443. All right. So to take this thing out, we're gonna have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these T bolts. And that should give us access to the air filter. Easily swap it out. Let's start taking out some of these bolts. Again, we're going to use here. T25. Now you don't got to take it out all the way. Once you loosen it from the bottom, it's good enough. Alrighty, I'm going to unconnect this, I think, to give us more room so we can lift up the housing. There you go. This way should be a little easier. There you go. So you can lift it straight up and gain access to the air filter. Yeah, so this is the old one. It's a little dirty, so it's about time for a change. So you can see here this little side here goes on the bottom. You see it's collecting dirt and stuff from outside, bring it into your engine. So I think I'm gonna have to vacuum out the inside of this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really all this dirt and stuff inside. So get the vacuum. We're going to vacuum that out just so it's nice and clean before we install the new one. All right, we're going to use this Volvo engine filter. So this side goes down, filters out the air. I'll go like this. So it slides right in. There's a little, right here you can see there's a little notch. This thing goes right in there. That's it. So let's line it back up. There you go. And start tightening these guys. All right, that's all set. You want to remember to plug back in your wire here, the connector. It's all set. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How to change your Volvo engine air filter. Again, here's the part number. I'm also going to link this and put it in the description below. Thanks for watching.